Buenas and hafade manay nahud and manyelu guahu si Pete Santos. It's been a while since I posted a video, but I just wanted to remind everyone that I am running to be the next Attorney General of Guam. I made the announcement initially way back in 2023, just 2 months after the last election for Attorney General. And I did that way back then because I knew just how bad things were going to get under the current Attorney General. Be that as it may, I wanted to remind everyone why I am still the best candidate. There have been a couple of Johnny-come-latelys that have thrown their hat in the ring, but I wanted to remind you guys, the people of Guam, why Peter J. Santos should be your next Attorney General of Guam. I have over 30 years of public service, 8 years as a Guam police officer. Then I went active duty Army. I was an officer in the Army. I was JAG. I served as a military magistrate, a prosecutor, defense counsel, as well as other areas of law that I practice in the military. In 2015, I got out of active duty, came back home to Guam. I prosecuted for 5 years, and then I transitioned over to the alternate public defender, where I've been a defense counsel for the last 5 years. So again, I have seen our legal system, our criminal justice system from all angles. I have been vocal ever since about all the issues and problems that we face on Guam, to include procurement, crime, you name it. I have played many different roles in our legal system, and I know where all the problems are, and I know how to fix them. I want to restore the Attorney General's office back to being a place of competence, respect, and trust. And I'm the guy, I'm the man, I'm the son of Guam who can deliver that for the people of Guam. So I implore everyone, I'm not going to humbly ask for your vote. I implore everyone, I urge everyone to make the selection wisely. Choose the best candidate. Choose Peter J. Santos for Attorney General of Guam. Biba Guam, Biba Tautautano, Huguaizaham de todos, por favor, botadzo para abugao hinirat, guinigiza Guam. Sa guao mas kapaz, zanguao mas maulik para itautau Guam. Adios, da Huguaizaham de todos.